this, and it's a Rubik's cube. It's a 3x3, and yeah. So it says challenging level, and then down here it says it's 8 and up, and Hasbro Gaming, I think. Yeah. So let's open it.
Do you need help?
Nope. Okay. I wonder if it turns well.
There, the clip on the TV that when you went to Walmart.
Okay. Okay, this thing we're going to. Oh, it turns pretty good, I think. I was expecting it to be better, but I mean, it's still pretty good. What?
Can we watch it on the side?
Okay, there.
Oh, wow.
So,
That's it?
it turns pretty okay, but like, not too well, but not too bad.
And how much, Jonathan? You should tell your friend how much.
It was like $9
and 84 cents.
Yeah, 84.
Oh, you didn't tell how much it was too.
Yeah, but
It was $12. No,
yeah, it was $12.
more. We paid two of us $27.
Okay.
No, that was 19. No, 12, huh?
Yeah, 12.
Dinah, that one was like 12 something, right? 12.94, right?
Yeah. I remembered.
12.94, and this is 9 something, so the total is 27. Oh, you guys, you get gum, right? Okay. So
Okay,
it's good.
Unpause it. Right. So it turned. Yeah, it's kind of good, but is it from? You know. Okay. Okay, this.
Wow. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Bye.